For bleach solution for cleaning hard and non-porous surfaces, it said here the solution would be 1/2 cup to 1 gallon. So since we're using a 1/2 gallon, we just use 1/4 of the Clorox, the bleach. So you have to wear a mask because it's to avoid inhaling the chemical. Okay, so you mix it to 1/2 gallon of water and 1/4 of the bleach. So this was the bleach solution. I'm gonna pour it in my spray. Then we're ready to spray the molds. We're cleaning the window sills that has molds on it from the moisture, winter moisture. So what we need is bleach solution that already saw you. This is consists of water and bleach and sprayer, gloves, toothbrush, and old toothbrush that you don't use, you know, and paper towel. I use goggles, mask, face mask, and rags. Then so put your gloves like and put your face mask, yes. And then put your goggles. It's cold, so I wear a scarf. It's so cold. Then spray the molds and soak it for 5 minutes. And let's set that for 5 minutes. Open the window because the solution is too strong to breathe. But I use face mask. After 5 minutes, we come back and do the brushing. Then I use a wet paper towel to wipe it. And last procedure, I use rag, clean rag. This is a dry rag. Check the molds every once a week, and if it grows again, then clean and spray with the bleach solution. And we're done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.